So we're back today guys with another patio clean. It is quite a large patio, but it's straightforward, just concrete slabs. As you can see, it is quite covered in algae, but I'm pretty confident the floor cleaner will shift all that. What we'll do is, once we've gone over the floor cleaner, we will then cut the edges in with the turbo nozzle, remove any stubborn weeds from the gaps, put a post treatment down with a soft wash solution and see how it looks. Should be a nice, easy, straightforward day. It's cold out here, -4 last night, but let's get to work. So as you can see guys, it's come up absolutely amazing. We did what we said, went over the floor cleaner, followed by the turbo nozzle just to cut the edges in, remove a few stubborn weeds out the gaps. Use the X-Jet to apply the soft wash treatment, just to remove the stubborn lichens, and then quick rinse off and job done. I think you'll all agree, it looks 1,000 times better than it did this morning, and it was a nice, easy, straightforward day. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment below and let us know what you thought, and we'll catch you on the next one.